We got a J&M 750 grain cart, and I'm going to show you how to disassemble the hitch. So all we got here is one bolt. It's a 2.5 inch or 1.5 inch socket and bolt. And to change the whole bar out, you'd have to take out this bolt as well to take the tongue off. But yeah, we'll just start by removing that bolt right there. See that just, oh yeah. Definitely some rust buildup on that one, but came out. And see if it's loose. It's loose. Definitely tight though. Okay, so we're just going to start off with some penetrating oil, see if we can get it to be a little easier. Go ahead. Okay. Now I got it broke a lot looser now, and you can see it's pretty loose. So I'll take this clevis off. Out comes that. Comes the hitch. And so I pulled some slack on that cable, so now the bar should just be able to pull out. In this cavity here, the whole bar gets bolted through here, this hole, and it would go all the way up to about here in that cavity. So how the scale bar works is only this amount where my fingers are can be suspended. If it's touching here, then your weights will be thrown off. So it's always good to just make sure that this is clear of dirt and debris. Now that I got all the dirt and debris out of there, it's always a good idea to put anti-seize on the bushing and on the bar. As you can see, I have already done that. Also wanted to make mention that J&M, they did a good job and put a spot for the cable to go through. That way it won't get pinched or anything. But yeah, once you got anti-seize on there, we can pull the bar through. So just kind of run your cable through that hole and put your bar in at the same time. Just like that. And take my bolts here. This guy. Drop her down. And put the nut on the underside. Also note that there is a top and a bottom to these bars, so if you had it flipped the wrong way, your hitch would actually weigh negative and your axles would weigh positive, so it would throw your weights off like crazy. So just make sure that this sticker is up. Now we'll put the clevis on. Just like that. And the nut on the back side. She's done.